In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Robinhood the Phantom wallet. So this is actually quite easy, just follow my steps. The first thing you want to do is open your Phantom account on your mobile device, and then from here, as you can see, you want to click Receive, which is up top left over here, just below the amount of dollars you have in your wallet. So just click on Receive. And then from here, you will have to select which coin you would like to receive. So is it going to be Solana, Ethereum, Base, etc. Okay. And for this instance, we're going to just do Ethereum. And what you want to do next is just copy the address. So click on the very right button, which is basically the copy button. There we go. And then after this, it will say copied and your address will be copied. Once that's done, what you have to do is open up your Robinhood app over here, and you want to go to the search box at the very bottom. So let me just really quickly sign in. There we go. What you want to do is just go to the bottom and click on that search box, and then go to search crypto. And where it says search crypto, you want to look for the same coin. So we did Ethereum, if you remember, and you want to just look for Ethereum in here. And once you're done, you want to open it up. There we go. Now, after you've done this, over here on this screen, currently my account isn't verified, so I can't see it. However, once you do it, you'll be able to see a bunch of different buttons, and one of the green buttons will say send. You just want to click on send, and then you want to input how much you would like to send from Robinhood to Phantom, and once you input that, so the amount, you'll be able to paste in your address. It will simply say address, and you want to just paste in the address we copied over here from the Phantom wallet, and after you do this, you just want to confirm, and then transfer and send, and your funds or your Ethereum or whatever coin you're transferring will come from Robinhood to your Phantom account or your Phantom wallet, and you can then use it however you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.